Hello everyone, this is going to be a video guide for the Subnautica OSD patch I put on GitHub. So the first thing you'll need is the prerequisites, and that's going to go ahead and be dmspy right here. This is a .NET editor / viewer that we can use to edit the game files. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and download it. You can download any one of these three right here, but I'm just going to go with the Win64 because I'm on a 64-bit system. So you just go here, you open it up, and it's an archive. So I'm gonna go and create a folder here called dmspy. You can go, yeah, if I was you, I'd put it somewhere else, unless you just plan to delete it afterwards. But I'm just gonna put it here because I already have an install of it somewhere else, and I'm gonna delete this after I make the video. So you just want to go ahead and extract it into the folder, and here you have dmspy. You can go ahead and open it up. It might take a second to load the first time you ever run it after installing it. But right here you should see it pop up like this. You won't have these bottom two windows here, and I'll show you how to pop those up in a second. But you should see something similar to this right here. So once we get the dmspy, just go ahead and put it into a window, and we'll use it in a second. So we can go and close these tabs out, and for the guide, next thing you'll see is we got to go to the Subnautica game files. To do that, you can go ahead and go to Steam, right click on Subnautica, go to Manage, and go to Browse Local Files. Okay, it popped up over here. Now, as you see, we're in the root directory of the game. So you're going to want to go to the Subnautica data folder, and then the managed folder. And then we're going to want the assembly-c#.dll file. So go ahead and pull up dmspy. You can just drag and drop it into dmspy. Here. Specifically, you want to drag and drop it into the assembly explorer. If you drag and drop it anywhere like right here, it's not going to open it. So as you see, you drag and drop it, and it's open. Next thing you're going to want to do is you can do Control-Shift-K, or you can click this little box up here. Either one will open up the search box. Doesn't really matter which one you do. But once you open up the search box, as you'll see here, we need to go ahead and put the getDataScaler function name in the search box, and this should pull up right here, and you'll see we get brought to this little block of code right here. And now that we get to here, you'll see it has this like line of math, and that kind of, you know, it's the scale for the time in the game. But if we go ahead and go to edit method, you should see a little box pop up like this. We're going to go ahead and just remove all this little bit right here. And then we're going to go to the document I made on GitHub again. And you'll see that I go ahead and show you that just do return 0.45f. And that's a float value. The game, how it works for time is that I just go ahead and open up Notepad here. It can be from 0.1 to 1.0, and 0.1 would be the beginning of the day, and 1.0 would be the ending of the day, and then in the middle would kind of be our daytime. I found that the brightest is around at 0.45. You could do like 0.50, or if you want an always nighttime for some reason, you could even do 0.1 or 1.0, and it should be like night. So yeah, I'm just using 0.45 because I found that works best. But once we go ahead and get that in there, you can go ahead and click the compile button, and it should go ahead and close somewhat instantly. And that's really it. All you gotta do now is click the X button. You want to click yes to this, and then just OK, and bam, like that. We've made it always day. To make sure it worked, you can go ahead and go into Steam, and you can click play, and then we'll just wait for the game to start up real quick. And if we go to play, start new game, I'm just going to do creative to save time, and then it shouldn't take too long to load here. And once we get in, we're just going to go ahead and open up the little debug window, and we'll see if the time is changing or not. Alrighty, so we can go ahead and go up to the top of this, press F1, and here, you can go ahead and see on the side here, our day/night scaler is at 0.45. That's exactly what we want. This bottom decimal should still continue to change. Take it changes very slowly like it did there, and time passed and time should also be changing. What this means is the actual time of the game is acting as normal, so the campaign events should not be affected by this, but the day/night scaler fixed, so it'll always look like this, and it'll never be nighttime. Alrighty, that's it. Now we can go ahead and go to quit. Don't care about saving that. And if you ever, for some reason, want to disable this, you just go to properties for your game, go to local files, and then you can go to verify integrity of game files, and then it should take a few minutes, and then it'll say failed to verify one file, and that it's going to replace it, and then it'll be the normal day/night scaler again. That's all though for this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Peace.